Hi guys, 𝗦𝗘𝗥𝗏 from Audio Direct and another Premier Service customer for you to bear witness the start of the work. So absolutely stunning Z4. I mean, these cars are they're just so taut, they drive so well, they look so good from any angle. One of the cleanest ones I've seen for a very long time, mashallah. So of course in that beautiful Dubai-esque UAE favorite color combination of white with a red interior. But of course there's something missing on this vehicle, even though it's one of the higher spec cars you can buy in this range. And what you'll see is, stepping into this car, lovely interior, but pop this open and pretty much nothing, just a cubby hole, a convenient one at that. But we're going to transform all of that. We're going to be whacking in an Android retrofit head unit, and it's going to be all singing, all dancing. So stay tuned. We have a really good build coming up with this BMW Z4. Really looking for the transformation to please the husband and wife owner of this car. I think this is going to really be the icing on the cake. Stay tuned for updates on the BMW Z4 Premier Service by Audio Direct.